What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be eating some berries. So yum yum yum. I'm very sorry about that. What is going on, guys? Give 'em chills here with another video. In today's video we're going to be reviewing these fans from GIM. These fans dropped 2 weeks ago. They're a little bit different style than the current fans that I have in my PC right there. They were generous enough to send me 2 boxes to review. That way I have the same set and the PC. I don't have 2 different fans, which is not really a big deal. I just rather have the one for looks instead of having multiple. But yeah, these fans on the box look like they're black edition, but they're not. It says white on the back right here. So they're the white edition of these new look fans. They look really cool. They're not square. They're like circle, and they have like edges, like just for where the connection is for the fan. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this video short. If you're interested in this product, the link will be down below in the description. If you have any questions or comment, I would love for you to put them in the comments and I'll answer all of them. Without further ado, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's roll the footage, unbox this, and install it in my PC. Let's go. Let's go ahead and unbox these. We have 2 boxes. We're gonna open one to start with, install those, and then if we need more fans, we'll go ahead from there. By the way, these fans sell like around $30 for 3 with a controller, so a pretty good deal overall. And before I even pull one out of the box, I'm gonna say they look incredible. So far from what I'm looking at, oh my gosh, yes. All right, so in the box, you're gonna get a box that has the connector. This looks like an ARGB to 12 volt connector right here. Some kind of sleeve thing that I think, oh yeah. So these are like a new thing that they're doing where you can see like they give you extra sleeves that you can wrap around the fan for more like looks kind of style. I'll explain a little bit more once I install it. You got a user manual, as you can see, a connection that goes from 12 volt to 5 volt, I think. That's about it. It's just some connection that some people might need. Not me, hopefully. Alright, so that's it pretty much. No controller. Doesn't look like there is a controller. Oh, actually, never mind. Spoke way too soon, bro. First of all, this is how the fan actually looks. You can see it's a little bit different. It's kind of really cool because around the edges of the fan right here, it's see-through, which is where you can put the strips. These strips, like there's shiny ones, there's glitter ones, there's gray ones, there's black ones, white ones. So if you want the RGB to shine through, you just keep it as is right here. But if you don't, you just put one of these on. I like these fans a lot because the edges, they actually have rubber all around, which will make it more sturdy and just prevent any shaking or vibration or any weird audio things. Overall, the bearing just feels normal. The fins feel a little bit cheapish, but they are cheap fans, so. But yeah, it looks really nice. The GIM logo is nice right in the middle right here. So this is a 10 fan controller hub. So that's pretty neat. And then in the box right here, you also get screws. You get 4 sets of screws, which I don't know why, because you have 3 fans, but if you need more screws, they give you more screws. They give you an adhesive double-sided padding thing that you can put to mount your controller or your hub. They give you this thing, which I have no idea what it's for. Maybe, I think it's just an easier way to unplug the fans out of the hub, or I don't know. We're gonna go ahead, bring my PC over here, and we're gonna do some work on it, put the fans in, and see how they look. Let's do that. Alright guys, we just installed the fans. We're gonna turn them on for the first time in 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how they look. A little bit loud. Let's just say that. But overall, they look pretty nice, dude. Take a look at that. See that kind of rim? Light comes through it. They feel like they're pulling in a lot of air, which is incredible. They pull in a lot more air than the other fans that I have here. Nevertheless, my case is open right now, so that doesn't really mean anything. So check out the certain colors. Sheesh. Alright, I like these fans a lot. I actually like them more than the other ones because I like this kind of red. I like these stripes and see-through the fans. You can see the RGB through. They look very, very nice. Very, very bright. A lot of air is going through, which is always very important. Yeah, overall, they look really, really good. They work with the remote from the old fans, so they work with inner remote, RF remote. Alright, so I noticed this, and it might be just my case. When I lower the speed of the fans, I hear the fan like vibrating at the top of the case. That might be just my case though. No, it might be the controller, I'm not sure. So maybe, no, it's not my CPU. I thought it'd be my CPU fan. Well, overall guys, these look really, really good. Very incredible fans. I really like the way they look. You guys can see for yourself right here. Alrighty guys, that was it for this video. Overall, I'm gonna rate these fans really quick. For looks, I'm gonna give them 9 out of 10. They look incredible. I could think they could use a little bit more RGB personally. For loudness, they are quite loud. I will take the noise suppression out of the microphone right there and you can hear how loud they are without me even talking. So yes, these fans are pretty loud. You gotta keep that in mind, but loud usually means performance unless the fans are just not good. But so for that reason, I'm gonna rate them like 6, 7 out of 10. They're good fans overall. They're $30. I think the best part about them is the looks, personally, and then performance. They seemed really good. They were pulling a lot of air in. I think they're 12 to 1300 RPM, and you can control that speed as well with the remote. So overall, 6, 7 out of 10. Good fans overall. But yeah. That was it for these GIM fans. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the description. And again, if you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.